Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, children, I hope you all are okay with the syllabus of UTs. Please tell me the
Yes,
chapters. Tell me all the 4 chapters. Tell me the name of the chapters. Come on, nobody remembers the chapters.
Ma'am, body fluids and circulation, chemical coordination, respiration, and breathing.
Do you agree, children? All of you others?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And I also told you about the pattern of paper. There are going to be 40 questions. All one word answers have to be given. There are no MCQs. I'm making it very clear. No MCQs are there. 40 marks paper, 40 questions are there. All questions have to be answered in one word. And you have to stick to your NCRT. These instructions are very clear for these UTs. Stick to your NCRT, these 4 chapters, everything about NCRT, including the summary of NCRT. Everything has to be studied. So you will have 40 questions and you'll finish it. You will not even get 2 minutes for a question. You'll get 2 minutes. It's 90 minutes, sorry. So you have to do this. And beta, one more thing, diagrams have to be practiced. Is it okay? I hope you're clear. Everything from NCRT
Yes, ma'am.
and in the subjective part, you will be drawing diagrams and sending the PDF to me. So your syllabus is only reading every word of NCRT and practicing the diagrams. No confusions?
No, ma'am.
So let's
No,
revise
ma'am.
this chapter. Let's revise this
Ma'am, what
chapter
would be
again.
the maximum marks of the paper?
Beta, it is actually 40 only. But I'll be dividing something, and you'll find a Google Form paper of 40 marks only. The diagram part has to be added for your internals. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
That
Okay, ma'am.
I have to give internal marks also for your notebooks and others. So that has to be added up. Whatever notes you send me, that part is also done. And maybe if I don't feel like, you only tell me, should I have the diagram session later? Oh, let's have it now only. Let's finish it. Chalo, let's revise this. Hurry up. When is your first exam? 20th? Day after tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am.
21st.
21st. Acha, class 12th is starting from 20th. Yours is 21st. So all set, you'll be going to school. Today we'll be posting the seating arrangement also. There are different time slots for different students. All of you are not coming at the same time. So you'll have to check out your roll numbers. I hope you know your roll numbers, beta.
Ma'am, these UT will be held in school?
Acha, sorry, you are class 11th. I get confused between you and 12th.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, dear. You got panicky, huh?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
दोबारा ज्वाइन करना। Okay, the first paragraph has to be read very quickly. That's all. Each and every word you need to be careful. I'll be asking questions. You'll get hardly 2 minutes to revise. This paragraph has to be done. Hurry up, beta, quickly.
Ma'am, done.
Raise your hands, those who finished, beta. Quickly, only one child said done. Only Anshika done. I think that's a good number to start with. Others, please improve your speed next time. Let's start, Peter. Should I hide it? Confident?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That new admission boy, Vaibhav Raj. Vaibhav Raj, have you joined today? Aryan Raj, Vaibhav Raj. What to do with these Rajs? Aryan Raj, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, last time you did not give your exam, na? You were a new admission?
Yes, ma'am.
You did not give, na?
Yes, ma'am. I am not doing.
Yes, this time it is compulsory for you to give your exam because last time you were a new admission and this is only 4 chapters. So I hope this time you are
Okay.
giving and you're prepared.
Yes, ma'am. I am giving.
And Vedehi is there? Vedehi, are you there? She's not there?
No.
She also did not give her exams. She was not well or something, but she did not give. Anybody else in biology who did not write the exams? Only 2 names I remember. Vedehi and Aryan Raj. Somebody else also, beta, let me know because I'll have to manage your marks. These 2 children had taken permission. He was a new admission and she was not keeping well. So that is why. Okay, let me ask you very quickly. Simple organisms like sponges and dash circulate water from their surroundings through body cavities.
Coelentrates.
Answer?
Coelentrates.
Coelentrates.
Whoever answers first, keep counting your points, okay? The most commonly used body fluid by most of the higher organisms, including humans.
Blood.
Blood. Blood.
Blood.
Apart from blood, there's another body fluid which helps in
Lymph.
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 Limbs.
Lymph.
blood and lymph. So you know this. There was nothing much in this. So what are the 2
Yes.
categories we did? One was coelentrates and the other was?
Sponges.
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 So it could be anything. I can say coelentrates and you need to tell me sponges. If I say sponges and Then you tell me
Sealant
about
rates.
Sealant rates.
We'll easily be able to revise better if you do it such quickly. That will be very good for you. Chalo. Let's do this because it's entirely NCERT. Blood and plasma. Blood, I'll read only. Blood is a special connective tissue consisting of fluid matrix, plasma, and formed elements. Matrix, plasma, and formed elements. Now you read about plasma, that's all. Only about plasma. Just raise your hand, whoever is ready. How many hands raised? Oh, very good. A very good number. Hands raised. But I'll hide this first. What have you prepared, children? Which part of the blood have you prepared just now?
Plasma.
Plasma.
So we had discussed about 3 components also. So you'll have many questions. Supposing there are 3 components and 2 will be mentioned and the third one you need to tell me. Let's start. Plasma is a dash colored viscous fluid.
Straw colored.
Straw colored.
It constitutes about dash % of the blood.
55%.
55%.
55%.
Very good. Dash % of plasma is water
90 to
90 to
92%.
92%.
82%.
and proteins contribute dash %.
6 to
6 to
8%.
8%.
Fibrinogen, globulins, and dash are the major
Albumins.
Albumins.
Albumins, globulins, and dash are the major proteins.
Fibrinogens.
Fibrinogens.
Fibrinogens. Fibrinogens.
Very good. Fibrinogens, albumins, and dash are the major proteins.
Globulins.
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 Dash are needed for clotting or coagulation.
Fibrinogen.
Fibrinogen.
Dash primarily are involved in defense mechanisms of the body.
Globulins.
Globulins.
Dash help in osmotic balance.
Albumins.
Albumins.
Fine. Plasma contains small amount of minerals like sodium, calcium, bicarbonate, chlorides, and
Glucose, amino acids, lipids, etc.
minerals. We're talking about minerals. Sodium, calcium, bicarbonate, chlorides, and one I have left.
Magnesium.
Good. Glucose, lipids, and dash are also present in the plasma.
Amino acids.
Amino acids.
Factors for dash are present in the plasma in
Clotting
inactive form.
factors.
Of blood.
Inactive form. Very important now. Plasma without clotting factors is called.
Serum.
Serum.
See, beta, if you see this paragraph, every line a question is possible. So don't take it very lightly. Okay, the syllabus is very easy. You must have seen in this paragraph, every sentence has a question possible. Now we'll move on to this very quickly. Let's read about this. We are simply revising. We have done plasma. Now you'll be reading about the next part, formed elements. You can read about erythrocytes and leukocytes. I think first just the erythrocytes. Okay, just the erythrocytes first. That will be easier for you. Very quick, too good. So we are done with this also. Formed elements. Which component have you read about?
Erythrocyte.
Erythrocytes.
Erythrocyte.
Erythrocytes, commonly called as
RBCs or red blood cells.
Red blood cells.
we have done
RBCs.
about first kind of blood cells, that is RBCs, also called as erythrocytes. Okay. RBCs have an average lifespan of dash days.
120 days.
120 days.
120 days.
Then they are destroyed in what we call as the graveyard of RBCs. What is a graveyard?
Spleen.
Clean.
A healthy individual has dash grams of hemoglobin in every 100 ml of blood.
10 to 12
12 to
grams.
16 gram.
12
Let
to
me ask
16
it the other way around. A healthy individual has 12 to 16 grams of hemoglobin in every dash ml of blood.
100 ml of blood.
100
100.
ml of blood.
A healthy adult man has on an average dash to dash millions of RBCs.
5 million to 5.5.
To 5.5 million.
5 to 5.5.
RBCs are formed in the dash bone marrow in adults.
Red
Red bone marrow.
Marrow.
Okay. RBCs are devoid of
nucleus.
Nucleus.
And they are
they have
concave
a
shape.
red colored dash containing complex protein
Iron
called
containing.
hemoglobin.
Iron containing.
Iron
Iron
containing.
containing. Okay,
Containing.
that is nice. They are the most abundant of all the cells in the blood. Who? Which cells?
RBCs.
RBCs.
RBCs or WBCs?
No, ma'am.
RBCs.
RBCs.
Okay.
RBCs.
They have a red colored iron containing complex protein called
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin.
is called as hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin.
So please remember graveyard of RBCs is
Spleen.
Spleen.
an average in 100 ml. How many grams did we do?
12
12
to
to
16
16
gram.
12 to
Grams.
16.
You'll be getting an idea of what type of questions it can be. It can be asked either way around. Now we're going on to the next one, children. We move on to leukocytes, that is WBCs. Just read about WBCs, that is leukocytes. Sufficient. Read. Just 5 hands. So let's wait for a minute, beta. I think now it's a good number. We should start. What happened, others, those who are left with beta? Anyways, let me hide it. 10 students have already raised hands. So let's start with it. Which blood cells did we read just now?
WBCs, leukocytes.
WBCs or leukocytes.
And after I finish the
Leukocytes.
last part, I'll be asking questions from the previous part also. It is not that only this paragraph will be doing, children. Okay, tell me. Dash secretes cells which destroy foreign organisms at entering the body.
Granulocytes. Ma'am, how to
Lymphocytes and
pronounce that?
neutrophils.
Okay, let me be more specific now. Dash secrete histamine, serotonin, heparin.
Basophils.
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 Please remember, basophils. Okay, let me ask the other way around. Basophils secrete histamine, serotonin, and
Heparin.
okay. Basophils secrete substances which are involved in dash reactions.
Inflammatory reactions.
Okay. These are the most abundant cells of the total WBCs.
Neutrophils.
Neutrophils and
Neutrophils.
How many percent are there?
60 to 65%.
60 to 65%.
60 to
65%.
Okay. And dash are the least, only 0.5 to 1% among the
Basophils.
WBCs.
Basophils.
Yes. Leukocytes are colorless because they lack.
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin.
They are relatively lesser in number. Their average is somewhere dash.
6,000 to 8,000
6,000
millimeter
to
cube of
8,000.
blood.
8,000.
We have two main categories of WBCs, granulocytes and
Agranulocytes.
okay. Granulocytes and come on,
A
children.
granulocytes.
Granulocytes.
Neutrophils, basophils, and dash are different types of granulocytes.
Eosinophils.
Eosinophils.
Eosinophil.
While the lymphocytes and dash are the agranulocytes.
Monocytes.
Monocytes.
Yes, monocytes. I think this paragraph is a little confusing for you people. Leukocytes are colorless because they lack.
Hemoglobin.
Are they nucleated? Are
Hemoglobin.
they nucleated or anucleated?
They are nucleated.
Nucleated.
Average number per millimeter of blood is?
6,000 to
6,000
8,000.
to
8,000.
8,000.
They are of two types, granulocytes and
Agranulocytes.
Granulocytes.
name the 3 different types of, though it will never come like this, 3 different types, but then I can give you any 2 and ask the third one. So let's revise like this. Name the 3 different types of granulocytes.
Neutrophils,
Neutrophils,
basophils, and eosinophils.
eosinophils or basophils.
Okay. Name the 2 types of granulocytes.
Monocytes and lymphocytes.
Lymphocytes and monocytes.
Monocytes and lymphocytes.
Okay. Which ones are the most abundant, about 60 to 65%?
Neutrophils.
Neutrophils.
Neutrophils. And which ones are the least beta?
Basophils.
Basophils.
Okay, very good. Let's move on to this. Neutrophils and dash are phagocytic cells which destroy foreign organisms.
Lymphocytes.
Monocytes. Neutrophils and
Monocytes.
Come on, everybody,
Monocytes.
tell me, name the 2 types of which are phagocytic in nature. They destroy foreign
Neutrophils,
organisms.
Neutrophils and
monocytes.
monocytes.
Okay. Dash secrete histamine, serotonin, and heparin.
Basophils.
Basophils.
So if I ask like this, that basophils secrete serotonin, heparin, and
Histamine.
Histamine.
And
Histamine.
basophil cells, the secretions of basophil cells are involved in dash reactions.
Inflammatory reaction.
Inflammatory reactions.
Inflammatory reactions.
So you will find that in WBC, you have to learn more, you have to study more compared to the RBCs. RBCs comparatively, the matter was less. WBCs, the entire thing is still not done. I'm showing you the rest of the part also. Here it is. Let's move on to this one. Move on to this lymph. Which one are we going to study now? The lymph part. Only the lymph
Lymph.
beta. Start. Just raise your hands once you finish so that I get to know how many have done, bache. Only one hand. Sony. Children, never mind, I'm waiting with her. Beta audio is mute. Please put your mics off. How many are done? 5. Okay. 5 students have already done. Let's ask. What did you study just now? What topic?
Lymph.
Lymph.
Lymph. We have already done the WBCs. We did the RBCs. Which were more abundant? RBC or WBCs?
RBCs.
RBCs.
Acha. Chali, let's do this very quickly. You have studied about what? Lymph? Tell me, what do you remember? Anyways, I'll do. In tissues, some water along with some small dash substances moves out into the spaces between cells of tissues.
Water soluble substances.
Water soluble
Yes.
substances.
Water soluble substances.
Very good, very good. The fluid released out is called tissue fluid or
Interstitial fluid.
yes.
Interstitial
Remember the name? It is interstitial fluid.
fluid.
Okay. It has the same mineral distribution as that.
Plasma.
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 Exchange of nutrients and exchange of dash between the blood and the cells occurs through this fluid.
Gases.
Yes, gases.
Gases
Two
and
things are
hormones.
exchanged, no? Very good. Nutrients and gases. So second one is gases. Next,
Gases.
an elaborate network of vessels called the dash system collects this fluid.
Lymphatic system.
Lymphatic system.
Very good.
Lymphatic system.
The lymphatic system collects this fluid and drains it back to the
Major
Major
vein.
veins.
Major veins.
It is very good. Lymph is a dash colored fluid. Which
Colorless.
color is it?
Colorless fluid.
Colorless.
It is responsible for dash responses of the body.
Immune responses.
Immune responses. Immune responses.
Lymph is a very important carrier for two things. One is hormones, and what is the other thing?
Protein.
Hormones and
Nutrients.
nutrients. Simple.
Nutrients.
Hormones and nutrients. Most important one now. Fats are absorbed through lymph in the dash present in the intestinal villi.
Lacteals.
TL.
Spelling.
LACT.
LACTEALS.
Beta, because spellings are also very important when it comes to Google form. If your spelling is wrong, automatically it will not give you any marks. It will mark you 0. And they are all biological terms. So one word answers, if your spelling is wrong, you do not get any marks. So when you revise, when you prepare accordingly. Let's move on to circulatory pathways now, very quickly. Let's see how much we are able to revise today. Circulatory pathways. Just read up to here, beta. Circulation. Incomplete double circulation. Till here, just read. That's all.